Have you ever wished you could just draw your stress away? What if I told you there is a simple, scientifically backed drawing technique that can help you release anxiety, rewire your thoughts, and bring a sense of calm, all without you needing any artistic skills? It's called neurographic art, and it works by engaging your brain in a way that helps process emotions, reduce stress, and spark new ways of thinking. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Grab a pen and some paper and let's get started. Before we continue, let me introduce myself. Welcome to Living Life Learning. I'm Grace Annan, a licensed therapist with years of experience in various mental health settings. My mission is to use my expertise to help you on your journey towards improved mental health and self-development. Now, let's jump right into it. Neurographics, also known as neurographic art, was created by a Russian psychologist, Pavel Piskarov, in 2014. The simple idea is that by drawing flowing interconnected lines and smoothing out sharp edges, you can bypass your logical thinking mind and access deeper emotional processing. It's a form of active mindfulness combining art, psychology, and neuroscience to help your brain form new connections, just like rewiring a circuit. And the best part, you don't need to be an artist to benefit from it. This technique is used in therapy, coaching, and stress management, and many people find it relaxing, insightful, and even life-changing. Now, let's talk about why this works. When you create free-flowing organic lines, your brain enters a state of relaxation, similar to meditation. It activates the parasympathetic nervous system by slowing down your heart rate and reducing stress. It engages neuroplasticity by helping the brain form new connections, creating fresh perspectives on emotions and problems. It encourages emotional processing, helping release suppressed thoughts and emotions without overthinking. And it boosts creativity and problem solving by stimulating the default mode network in your brain, the same area activated during deep reflection and insight. It's not just a creative exercise, it's a brain exercise. And now I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step neurographic drawing session so you can try it yourself. All right, let's begin our neurographic art session. Grab a pen, a marker, or anything you have nearby and follow along. All right, let's begin our neurographic art session. Grab a pen, a marker, or anything you have nearby and follow along. Before we put pen to paper, take a moment to think about something that's been on your mind. It could be stress, a problem, or even just a feeling. You don't have to name it. Just hold it in your awareness as we draw. Now, take your pen and start drawing random curving lines across the page. Don't overthink it, just let your hand move. The goal isn't perfection, it's release. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Bring your focus back to the motion of the pen gliding across the paper. Don't lift your pen too often. Keep the movement organic and fluid. If you feel stuck, remind yourself there's no right way to do this. Just let your hand move. This exercise is about loosening up, both physically and mentally. You are allowing your thoughts and emotions to take shape without judgment. Let your lines flow as if you're mapping out your feelings. Some areas might be tangled and chaotic, others more open and spacious. There's meaning in all of it. Now, whenever two lines intersect, you might notice sharp corners and angles. Start rounding out these intersections by smoothing them into curved edges, like this. You can keep using your pen to do this, or you can use a black marker, a black pencil. I am using a black marker. As you do this, notice how your drawing starts to resemble neural pathways, much like the intricate networks in our brains. This visual connection is a powerful reminder of how our thoughts form, adapt, and link together over time. This process of softening edges is much like how our minds adjust to new experiences, shifting from rigidity to flexibility. The more we practice reshaping our thinking, the more adaptable and open we become. Now, take a colored pencil, marker, or whatever you have, and begin filling in some areas of your drawing. There's no need for a pattern, just choose what feels right. If you're wondering what tools I'm using, I purchased everything from Amazon, and I'll link each item in the description below the video. So if you want to try this with the same tools, you can check them out there. As you add color, think of this as an act of integration, bringing new energy into your thoughts and emotion. Each hue can represent a different feeling or aspect of your life. Notice how the introduction of color changes your perception of the drawing, much like how varied experiences add richness to our lives. Feel free to expand your drawing, adding more lines, shapes, or colors as you see fit. This is your personal expression evolving just as you do. And just like that, you've created your own neurographic artwork. It may look abstract, but what you just did was engage your brain in a deep, subconscious process of stress relief and transformation. You took something that felt chaotic and you turn it into something connected and whole. This technique is simple, but it's powerful. And the more you practice, the more you'll start noticing shifts, not just in your hard work, but in your thinking, emotions, and how you approach challenges in life. So now I have a challenge for you. Try this exercise on your own and let me know in the comments. What did you feel while drawing? Did anything unexpected come up? I'd love to hear about your experience. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a little creative stress relief. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.